Hey guys, welcome to Takis Guru. Today we'll be learning how to allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to allow your Instagram to access your camera and microphone on phone, we'll be required to open the settings of our phone. So let's open the settings. And from over here guys, scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Tap on apps, and on this interface again at the top of the screen you can see there is the app management option available for us. Tap on that app management, and over here guys you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on that search bar and search for Instagram over here, and it's open up the Instagram. And over here guys you can see the permissions option available for us just below the manage notifications. Tap on permissions, and again in this interface guys, if your Instagram does not have the access to your microphone and camera, they will be over here on not allowed section where it says the camera and microphone. Now in order to allow Instagram to access to your camera and microphone, tap and to open that option where you will be able to see this kind of interface, and after that tap on the allow only while using the app, and this way the camera permission and also on the microphone tap on the allow only while using the app, and this way guys you will have allowed Instagram to access your camera and microphone. And then guys, this is how to allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.